not really fun, but you just can't get into it.
Hello everyone, I'm Dexter and this is my channel. I've been experimenting with different videos recently and I haven't yet chosen a specific path, but I love doing different creative outlets. So I just wanted to give you an update about the Plucking grass series. The initial goal was me versus the lawn. I wanted to do everything on my own. I wanted to do things with hand tools only without any grass cutting. But I failed that task. We asked the grass cutter guy to come because things got out of hand. I couldn't do it on my own. Admittedly, I also started doing different things like making my own paper. Link in the description below. Please watch it. Thank you very much. Just wanted to update that I'm gonna be uploading new series, but I just wanted to be transparent because the lawn is gonna look nicer and I wanted to be honest that wasn't with the benefit of me. And also like the new goal of my new series, let's call it season 2. I'm gonna do continuous grass plucking, but more for the main goal of doing something active daily to help me gain a more healthy lifestyle, because I used to be really depressed and the mornings nowadays are very difficult for me because I don't really know what to do in the morning. So I want to use this opportunity to just connect with nature a little bit for half an hour every day around there. And yeah, that's it. That's the update. Thank you if you've watched until this far. Thank you. Bye.